How to create subdeck in Anki. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a subdeck on the Anki app. Anki is a spaced repetition flashcard app, which is designed to help you memorize informations more efficiently. And it's also popular among students, language learners, and anyone needing to retain large amount of information over time. So let's see how you can create a subdeck here. First thing you do is open up your application, and at the bottom of your screen, you'll find options like Get Shared, Create Deck, and Import File. Click on the Create Deck button, and once you go ahead and click on it, you'll have this pop-up to name your new deck. So just give it a name, and then click on OK. Now you'll find your new deck on the deck option. And if you want to create a new deck or a sub deck, you are going to have to click on the create deck again, just by selecting the current deck that you've created. Now you're going to create another deck inside that. So click on create deck and then name it a new, type in your deck name. And once you've done that, follow this with 2 colon signs and then name your sub deck. Then click on OK. Now, if you click on the plus icon, you'll be able to see your subdeck right here. And that's how you basically do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.